Is Ethiopia the most isolated place on Earth? For centuries, this ancient land, perched high on the Horn of Africa, has captivated imaginations. It's a country of dramatic landscapes, deep history, and cultures that feel a world away from our own. Today, we're not just visiting. We're re-embarking on an epic journey to understand what life is truly like in one of the most fascinating and perhaps misunderstood places on our planet. Forget what you think you know. We're going deep into the heart of Ethiopia. Our adventure begins in Addis Ababa, the sprawling capital. It's a city of contrasts, where brand new skyscrapers cast shadows over bustling markets that have operated for generations. The air is filled with the scent of roasting coffee. This is its birthplace, after all, and the sounds of a nation on the move. But to find the real soul of Ethiopia, you have to leave the city behind. We're heading north into the highlands, tracing a path carved by ancient empires and unwavering faith. Driving through the Ethiopian highlands is like traveling back in time. The scenery is breathtaking: immense plateaus, deep canyons, and tabletop mountains called ambas that seem to touch the sky. It's here you start to understand the isolation part. These mountains have been a natural fortress, protecting Ethiopia from foreign invasion and preserving its unique identity for millennia. It's the only African country that was never fully colonized, and you can feel that spirit of independence in the air. Our first major stop is Lalibela. This isn't just a town. It's a miracle carved from solid rock. In the 12th century, King Lalibela ordered the construction of 11 churches, but not with bricks and mortar. They were chiseled directly out of the volcanic tuffstone, dug down into the earth. Walking through the labyrinth of tunnels that connect them feels otherworldly. Priests in white robes chant in Ge'ez, an ancient language, and pilgrims who have walked for weeks come here to pray. It's a living, breathing testament to a faith that has endured for nearly 2,000 years. How did they achieve this incredible feat of engineering with the tools of the time? It's a mystery that still baffles historians. From the Christian highlands, we journey further, our destination, the Simien Mountains National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is often called the Roof of Africa. The views from the escarpment are simply staggering, with peaks soaring over 4,500 meters. But it's not just the landscape that's unique. This is the home of the Galata, sometimes called the bleeding heart monkey, because of the patch of red skin on its chest. They are the world's only grass-eating primates, and we were able to sit just meters away from a huge troop of them as they graze peacefully. It feels like we've stumbled into a scene from a nature documentary. We also keep our eyes peeled for the elusive Ethiopian wolf and the majestic Valia ibex, both found nowhere else on Earth. Life in these remote mountain villages is tough, but filled with a profound sense of community. People live in traditional round huts called tukals, farming the terraced slopes just as their ancestors did. We were invited into a home for a coffee ceremony, which is the cornerstone of Ethiopian social life. It's not a quick cup, it's a ritual. The beans are roasted over charcoal, ground by hand, and then brewed 3 times. Each cup has a different name and strength. Sharing this moment, listening to their stories, and experiencing their incredible hospitality was a powerful reminder that human connection transcends language and lifestyle. It's a lesson in slowing down and appreciating the simple, profound moments. Now for something completely different. We're descending from the cool highlands into one of the hottest, lowest, and driest places on the planet, the Danakil Depression. This is Ethiopia's fiery, volcanic heart. It feels like we've landed on another planet. The ground is a kaleidoscope of yellow, orange, and green from sulfur and mineral deposits. Bubbling hot springs and geysers hiss steam into the scorching air. It's an inhospitable, alien landscape, yet people live and work here. The Afar people have been mining salt from the vast salt flats for centuries. We watch as long camel caravans, a sight unchanged for 1,000 years, are loaded with salt blocks to be transported to markets in the highlands. It is a grueling, almost superhuman endeavor and a testament to human resilience. So, is Ethiopia the most isolated place on Earth? In some ways, yes. Its geography and history have forged a culture that is fiercely independent and unique. From the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela to the volcanic landscapes of the Danakil, it offers experiences you simply can't find anywhere else. But what we discovered was not a land of isolation, but one of incredible connection to faith, to history, to the land, and most importantly, to each other. The warmth and hospitality of the Ethiopian people were the most memorable parts of our journey. They welcome you not as a tourist, but as a guest. Ethiopia doesn't just show you a different world, it shows you a different way of seeing our own. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through Ethiopia. It's a country that will challenge your perceptions and capture your heart. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more stories from unique corners of the world, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you with us on our next expedition. Until then, stay curious,